How to change profile picture on Temu. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can equip other pictures. First of all, open the application. Now here at the bottom, you can see this profile icon. Tap on it. So on the top, you'll be able to see your name and profile. Tap on it again. So here, you'll be able to see a small edit button beside your name. Tap on this small edit button. So these are the details that you have. Now on the top, you can see a photo section. Tap on photo. So here are two options of choosing from library or taking photo directly. You can choose any one of these. So tap and select a photo that you want to change into. So I have chosen one. So you can even crop the image, and at last here on the bottom you can see the stick button. Tap on it, and now it will take some time and we are done. So if you go back, your profile picture has completely changed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.